face recognition works very well.
Fingerprint sensor. When I tap it, there it is, and it works very nice. Everything works smooth, extremely smooth. If we hit settings and we go to the display and brightness, a special brightness for you, a maximum brightness. Practical application. That is really bright. But when I place the Ultra next to it, Ultra is brighter.
AI. And in the special features, we do have a lot of AI stuff.
For example, with AI, it will recognize your eyes and adjust the screen to it. It's flickering between yellow and white, and that is extremely annoying. Also, 3 fingers, gestures, you can swipe, and then translate, pixelate, whatever you want it to do. Well, it's cool, but you're never gonna use it. But the most important is screen, processor, internal memory, and the speakers.
Powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with 16GB of RAM. £1,000,000, that's half what you can get from the latest flagships, and the memory is a flagship experience. And with the Geekbench, the 8S Gen 3 is basically 8 Gen 2.
Video mode at 4K 30, maximum to 4K 60. But if you want wide angle, you have to go full HD 30. Not even a 60 is available for wide angle, which is not great. There is no autofocus in the wide angle lens, and there is no autofocus in front-facing camera. But it's still very wide for the front-facing camera in 4K 30. 4K 60. Zoom. Ah. It's not gonna go all the way to 4K 60. Front-facing camera. Full length of my arm. There's no autofocus. Only the main lens has an autofocus, and I cannot switch lenses during the recording. And why it's getting blurry? The lens is clean. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. Oh, it has to brighten up my face. Let's continue. AI night mode. Wow, difference. I think they concentrate too much on the AI. You see, it's like 3D in your favorite TV. It's cool, but no one actually going to use it. Or I could be wrong. Anyway, the Lenovo 800 is a fantastic camera, crisp image, super stabilization, but the second camera is spoiling the whole thing. So, well, it is a great charging, fast charging, but charger is not included. But I've heard that if you register, they will send it to you when you pre-order the device. And also $120 cashback. I could be wrong. It all depends on the country, I guess. By the way, the battery life, let me quickly see, and I'm getting 5 hours and 43 minutes, which is cool. But you see, it all depends how you use those devices. I'm using the camera and the benchmarks. You could be using a different way, maybe on games, maybe consuming content. This device is great for content consuming. Great speakers, really good speakers. Fantastic screen, very bright, great battery life for content consuming. But if you had a little bit more to spend, like $100 more, because I've paid $900 for this version, which is crazy. For $1,000, you can have an Ultra, a real flagship, the best smartphone in the world, which there'll be a link in the description with additional discount. Or if you don't have such money to spend on a smartphone, the same camera, link in the description, for $500. And if you don't have a $500 and you wanna enjoy the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3S, 8S Gen 3, then I have something for you also in the description for $300. How cool is that? So you can see there's a range of smartphones to choose. And that's all I have. See you next video.